First of all, to download PHP, we are going to download Champ. So click Champ inside Google, and now you have this website, apachefriends.org. Click on it. And now you have all the downloads for all the operating systems available. Click on the one that you are using. I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on Windows, and here it says the version of PHP. It's 7.2. Click on it, and it's gonna start downloading. And after it's finished, what you need to do is just click a few nexts, and you are good to go. And this is here a short video that tells you how to do so. It's just a few nexts. It's not difficult at all. I'm gonna stop here downloading because I already installed it. So after installation, you should find it here. As you can see, I already have it. So if you click on if you search after installation for Champ, you have the control panel. Click on it, and you have this panel. And the one that we are going to use is the Apache, the server, so that we make our computer as a server. You need to click on Start, and the MySQL as well, so that we can use MySQL. You need also to click on Start.
So once XAMPP is installed, you will find it among your applications. So if I click on this manager, it will open it for me, and it might ask you for your PC or Mac password. And then I'll go to Manage Servers, and first of all, you need to run the Apache web server. Click on Start, and wait until here it says Running. And once here it says Running, you can start your MySQL database. Click on Check It, or click on it and then click on Start. Once here it says running, you will be able to work with the Apache web server and your MySQL database. And by the way, if it forcefully goes back to stopped, either the Apache web server or the MySQL database, then you might need to restart your PC or your Mac. Once these two are running, go to Welcome and then head on over to go to Application and click on it. And it will open the localhost. And here in the localhost, you can check information about your PHP installation and your database as well. So if I go to phpMyAdmin, it will open phpMyAdmin, where I can manage my databases and tables and do operations on them. And by the way, whenever you are working, just keep the Apache web server open and running, and also the MySQL database running all the time, because otherwise you won't be able to work with the database and insert data and get data and all of that good stuff. ApacheFriends.org, you will be able to install XAMPP, where you can install PHP and the Apache server and also MySQL database. And you can download the XAMPP application depending upon your operating system. So I'm going to click here for other versions and choose your operating system. And I'm going to choose XAMPP for Mac, and the version is going to be 7.2. So this one, I'm going to download this one. Click on download. And once it's finished, you can now open the installer. And the process is very, very simple and straightforward. For all operating systems, you can just click on a few nexts and it will install XAMPP for you. So if you are using Mac, then you can follow along. If you are using another operating system, then the process is very, very similar and self-explanatory. And it might ask you for your PC or Mac password, so you need to type it. And it will open a wizard where you can just click on a few nexts and it will install XAMPP for you. So once it opens this wizard, click on next, and then make sure you check these two and click on next. And then here it says that it will be installed, XAMPP will be installed inside applications/XAMPP folder. Click on next. And you can check or uncheck this if you wish to learn more about XAMPP. And then finally, just click on next and it will start downloading. Finally, once it's finished, you will find that XAMPP has been installed in your applications. So as you can see here, I have XAMPP, and these are all of the files. In order to use PHP version 7, you need to head on over to your terminal and make sure that you are using PHP version 7. So here I'm going to type PHP and then version hyphen version or V, and here it says 7.2. And if it doesn't say here PHP 7.2, then you need to make sure that you add XAMPP to your path. And in order to do so, just open your bash profile. And inside bash profile, make sure to add these two lines at the end of the file. Path equals to /applications/XAMPP, all capital letters, and then /XAMPP files, /bin, and then colon, and then $path, and then export that path. So these two lines are very important in case your Mac is using PHP version other than 7.2. So make sure you add these two lines in your .bash profile and then save. Make sure that you save. After that, click on save. And of course, you need to close the terminal and open a new terminal. And make sure that you are now using PHP version 7. So what tools do you need for this course? Well, for this course you need, first of all, you need a reliable IDE or text editor. And my recommendation is that you install Visual Studio Code, where you can install it from code.visualstudio.com. You can head on over to that link, code.visualstudio.com, and then install it. For Mac, it's gonna say here download for Mac, and you can just click on this and install it as if you are installing any Mac program on your Mac. If you are using Windows, you can select it from here, and it's gonna say here download for Windows by default, or you can click here if it doesn't say that, and you can select your Windows here. You can select Windows and download the version from here, and you can also install, and you should also install it as if you are installing a program on your Windows. So this is the first thing. And if you already have a reliable text editor or IDE that you feel comfortable coding with, then you don't need to install Visual Studio Code. But if you don't, I'd recommend using Visual Studio Code. So this is the first thing that you need. The second thing that you need is that you need to install XAMPP. XAMPP is gonna allow you to install PHP in order to use PHP for this course. And you can install it from apachefriends.org. You can head on over to apachefriends.org. And I'll be showing you how to completely install XAMPP on Mac and also on Windows in the next tutorials. Hi and welcome to this course, Build a Complete Burger King-like website using PHP. My name is Mustafa Alawi. I'm a software developer and entrepreneur with several years of experience. I have taught more than 3,000 students online and offline several courses in web development, software development, and entrepreneurship, and I have worked as a consultant on various projects helping local businesses. In this course, you will learn how to build a complete Burger King-like website using PHP, and you will be taught everything from the very beginning all the way to allowing your customers to pay and you deliver food to your customers. You will be taught how to add meals to your website, how to get meals from the database, how to display the menu to your customers, how to allow customers to add meals to their cart, and how to increase and decrease the quantity of the meals that they want to buy from you. And you will also be taught how to allow customers to check out using a form that will allow them to check out, and you as the owner of the website and the business, you will know who bought from you, and you will be ready to deliver the food to your customers. You will also be taught how to integrate PayPal so that your customers will be able to pay you using PayPal. And all of this will be taught in this course to make sure that you build a complete e-commerce website just like Burger King. So by the end of this course, you will have created a complete fast food website just like Burger King, and you will have all of the skills required to build the website, and you will actually have built one by the end of this course. Before you decide whether you should take this course or not, you need to know who is this course for. And I'm going to be helping you in this decision-making process by providing you with the groups that should take this course. So the groups that should take this course are: first, developers who want to specialize in building e-commerce websites. If you really want to build a complete e-commerce website and you want to specialize in building e-commerce websites, then this course is for you. Because in this course, I'm going to teach you all of the skills required to build a complete e-commerce website. The second group is programmers who want to become professional PHP developers. If you really want to become a professional PHP developer, then this is your opportunity, because you will build a real just like a website just like Burger King, where your customers will be able to browse the menu and pay you using PayPal. So you will be taught the skills required to build a complete e-commerce website, and those skills are very, very important if you really want to become a professional PHP developer. What is expected after taking this course? Well, after taking this course, first of all, you will have robust understanding of an e-commerce website and its structure. Second, you will have created a complete Burger King-like website using PHP. Third, you will have learned important and new skills. And finally, you will be able to apply for PHP web developer positions confidently with a proven experience, which is the project that you will be building with me throughout this course. If you have any questions about this course, let me know and I'll be glad to answer it. You can contact me on my website, commoncode.com.